actually more than, I think the last was just that day when I got the car and the next day. So that was like in September. Now it's October 9th. So I'm back to my apartment. I was actually at my parents' place for the longest time because my mom was a little unwell. So I couldn't create any content. I couldn't create, vlogs. I couldn't vlog because I absolutely didn't have the time to do it. But now I'm back and I actually have an order that had come previously. It has come to the post office. So I have to go and pick it up there because I had to be there to pay in cash, but I wasn't. So I'm just going to go and pick it up now. I also got something very, very special. I've been wanting to buy it for a long time, but it was on quite a discounted price. So I bought it recently. It was delivered to the mailroom, so I'm gonna go pick it up now, and I'm very excited. I would have reviewed it if I have, and it's already up. It should be up on my channel. You'll see it here. If it's not, then I'll be posting it soon. But yeah, I'm so excited to be back and to be creating more content, and yeah. Okay, so my packages are finally here. I actually received this a few days ago. This is the Natasha Denona retro palette. Let me just show you because the bed is pretty dirty because I keep all my makeup here and it's pretty dirty. So let me just put it in the light like this. So yeah, this is what the palette looks like. Oh my god, it is so gorgeous. Wow. It's my second midi sized palette, I think. Yeah, I have the bronze palette. This one I bought from the store itself, from the Instagram store, and this is my new Cult Beauty order. Let me just open it. So this order I directly got it via not the DHL, like not the DHL priority tracking. I directly got it the basic tracking one, and I got the Natasha Denona Glam palette. I'm really curious to see what the packaging is like. I hope it's not damaged because the box and everything looks pretty damaged. Yeah, so basically, yep, it's pretty much damaged. There's just one shade that's damaged, so I have to go and clean. So I'm gonna clean it up. So which is why I always say whenever you order from Cult Beauty, always opt for the DHL priority tracking. Actually it costs about £36 if your order is below £100, I think. So which is why I always order in bulk just to avoid this, and this is such a shame. I'm gonna have to report this. I'm not gonna send it back because if I send it back, then I will they will send me another palette and they will replace it, and then I will have to pay customs for that as well. So okay, so I'm done fixing this palette. I just need something more flat to like press that, but it's almost done and I think it looks brand new. I also got this one. This is the Huda Beauty Wild Jaguar palette. I hope this is in a good state. Let's open and see. It seems like there are some particles within this as well, but I hope it's from the Glam palette and not this one. Oh my god, I just love this palette. I don't know if you can see it, but okay, moment of truth. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is just fine, and I think it looks so stunning. Oh my god, I have to look at this right now. Oh my god, among all of them, I think this was one of my favorites. This was my favorite, so I just bought this one. I almost like hardly, I mean, I paid full price because I paid customs, but for both of them, for both the palettes, that is the Natasha Denona Glam palette as well as this one, I just paid £58 and I paid about 2000 rupees for customs. So yeah, which almost covered the. Okay, now biggest reveal of the day is this. This was delivered yesterday already. Let's see what it is. It's here! Oh my god! How else am I supposed to show this? How am I supposed to even open this? Alright. Are you freaking kidding me? How am I supposed to open this? Okay, it's right here. Now let's just open it up. Whoa, oh my god, I didn't expect it to be so elaborate. What? Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my god. There it is. It's my... I love this color. Oh my god. So, this goes where? Guys, so it's the next day. I just filmed a tutorial with my Dyson today and I'm not sure how it's looking. I think it looks fine, but I'm just heading out to a flea market. I look so fat. Anyway, I'm just heading out to a flea market, so I'm wearing shoes and yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. And I like my hair nice and bouncy, and I like the rings and everything, so just heading out for a flea market and I'll try and vlog there.
The scene level, but still.
Oh, jeep kam pasand nikala. I was also looking at that. I like shit. I'm just gonna like. No re.
Side angle say ho na.
Say hi.
Acha, not me.
Anyone say hi.
Oh, is this an Insta thing? How should I don't know how to pose for all these things.
You don't have to pose.
You take my video and I watch it.
Cut me out of it.
It's okay, dude. You can't even notice who you are, but.
You taking my picture?
God, the weather's so good today, you guys. I am just driving back home. I mean, to my apartment. I just had to go to get my car registered, and that is near my parents' place, which is why I had to go home. And I'm getting back home, and this road is so nice. And the weather is so nice, actually. It's like 3 p.m. right now. Can you tell? It looks so gorgeous, right? Yeah.